seen some methods of the collection of data. Data sources are two types of sources. First is the primary sources and second is the secondary sources. We already seen about the what is primary sources. In the basically in the simple terms, primary it is the first time collection of data. And now when we are talking about the secondary data, it is the second use data, second hand data. It is not directly collected by any organization or investigators. Fine. Today we will continue this methods or mode of the data collection method. There are basically some methods already we had seen, some different type of method. Today we will discuss these three. First is the personalized interview. It means person go directly and take the interview of the person. Listen, आप जैसे एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं, इंटरव्यू के लिए हम पर्सनली जाएंगे, पर्सनली क्वेश्चंस आस्क करेंगे, एंड देन दैट इज we got the perfect and reliable data because the investigator and narrator go directly and take the personal interview of the person who are the investigations. Fine. So investigator or narrator directly asks the question that is the reliable person. So in this method that information is correct, information is reliable. If any doubt regarding the questions, अगर suppose मैं question आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, you are confused about this question, you are not understanding about this question, you just ask me. It means cross examination are also there, and if you don't get the my question, you just ask again and again. So मैं questions को all elaborate करके और justify करके आपको question समझा सकती हूँ. Now, if you are not comfortable with your answer or my question, so your question and question just indicate me that this question is not reliable question, or you are not able to give the answer, or you don't want to give this answer. So your question and question are seen by me or seen by the enumerator or seen by the investigator. That is very helpful to us. So that is the personal interview method. So personal interview method is very important because of that is the reliable accuracy data. But sometimes this is a very does some disadvantages also in this method. Just like first advantage, we can say that is a time consuming. Suppose you are the 40 persons, 40 students हो आप लोग, ठीक है? Every person मैं सबके पास personally जाऊँगी, questions answers पूछूँगी. One person take 10 minutes suppose. So 10 into 40, that is a 400 minutes I will just consume regarding these questions or regarding this analysis or regarding this collection of data. But at a time of that is a personal interview, maybe data is accurate, maybe data is reliable also, but time consuming and cost consuming. Suppose one person नॉर्थ में रहता है, एक साउथ में रहता है, एक ईस्ट में रहता है, एक वेस्ट में रहता है. सो सबकी जगह आने का खर्चा, दैट इज द कॉस्ट. सो कॉस्ट इज वेरी हाई ऑन दिस मेथड इफ द एरिया इज वेरी लार्ज. सपोज आपका एरिया बहुत लार्ज है इन्वेस्टिगेशन का, सो दिस मेथड विल बी कॉस्टली, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, स्किल्ड पर्सन रिक्वायर्ड. These are the some disadvantages of this method also. So we can see that personal interview, this method is used when the researcher or investigator has access to all the member. मतलब हर एक बंदे के पास मैं पहुंच सकती हूँ, ऐसी कैपेबिलिटी और रिलायबिलिटी है. The researchers conduct the face-to-face interview. It means the personal interview with the respondent. Who is the respondent? Suppose I am asking question for you. You are the respondent. I am the investigator or researcher or enumerator. All three are same, and you are the respondents. So now, some advantage of the personal interviews method is personal contact is made between the respondent and enumerator or between the respondent or researcher. The interview has the opportunity to explaining the study, answering the queries. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बोला, if you have some queries regarding the questions, that just I am explaining at that point only because we are sitting face to face. The interviewer can request to the respondent to expand on answer that are particular important points. Suppose your answer is yes or no, but I need more than that. So I just requested you, enumerator or investigator or researcher just request to the respondent, please elaborate. If your answer is yes, please give me 1 or 2 reason. If your answer is no, please give me 1 or 2 reason. So this is the possible because the investigator or researcher or investigator are sitting face to face and taking the personal interview. Second advantage is misinterpretations and misunderstanding can be avoided. Suppose my question is different. If I am not sitting face to face, हम लोग face to face बैठे नहीं हैं, मैंने आपको कॉल किया है और पोस्ट किया है और मेल किया है my questions, so maybe my questions misunderstanding है ना, मेरे questions का गलत मतलब ले सकते हो, गलत interpretation निकाल सकते हो. But if I am sitting in front of you, you just ask me what is the meaning of this question, why you are asking this question. So that is the avoidance of the misunderstanding and misinterpretation of the question as well as answer also. Next, watching the reaction of the respondent and provide the supplementary information. That already मैंने बताया आप लोगों को क्या. Sometimes your question is very important because if you are hesitating, your expression is different. If you are confident, your expression is different. So if I am seeing your expression or your question because I am sitting in front of you for the in-person interview, that is the possibility, or that is the, if you are uncomfortable, I am change my question or asking the question in the different way. I am not changing my question but asking this question in the different way also. So that is very important कि मैं केवल आपको क्वेश्चन देख के समझ जाऊंगी, your face reading से देख के समझ सकते हैं हम लोग कि are you comfortable or not for this question also. Now some disadvantages also there. Personal interview has some disadvantage also. First, it is expensive. Cost is very large if your investigation area is very large. It takes a longer time to complete the survey. If I am taking the 400 minutes for this purpose, listen, 10 minute अगर एक बच्चे को देती हूँ, so 10 into 40, it means 400 minutes तो ये होगा. Then आने जाने का time consuming. So that is a very time consuming and expensive method. Presence of the researchers may inhibit respondent from the saying what they really think. Sometimes ये डेड पॉइंट भी होता है कि आप अपने रिस्पोंडेंट के सामने बैठे हो. क्यों? समटाइम्स होता है कि हमें जो आंसर देना है, वी नो दैट कि रिसर्चर और इन्वेस्टिगेटर डजंट लाइक दिस आंसर. मुझे पता है कि आपको पता है कि आप जो आंसर दोगे वो मुझे पसंद नहीं आएगा. सो यू आर चेंजिंग योर आंसर, सो दैट इज नॉट रिलायबल और एक्यूरेसी डेटा. ठीक है. Sometimes you are hesitate in front of me. Suppose my question is that your economics teacher is teaching you the good manner or not. So 90% students say in front of me. मेरे पीछे क्या बोलते हैं, it is okay. But मेरे सामने आप लोग 90%, I am talking about 90%, 10% students have that ability also कि जो है वो बोल सकेंगे. So 90% students are in front of me क्या बोलेंगे, yes, very good madam, your explanation part is very good, or your notes are very good. All these things are in a positive manner because I am sitting on front of you. But if I am not there, पीछे वाला gossiping पता है ना, so मेरी जगह और किसी ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो या तो आप उसके सामने बोल सकते हो, या मेरे पीछे आपको रिटर्न में किसी ने मांगा है कि आप लिख के दे दो, या मेरे पीछे आपसे किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, I am not sitting in front of you, तो you are giving your answer as a reliable and accuracy way. That is just example, don't take it otherwise better. ये एक एग्जाम्पल था कि अगर रिस्पोंडेंट आंसर देना चाहता है, बट समटाइम्स इफ द इन्वेस्टिगेटर सिटिंग देयर, some maybe he or she is hesitated, maybe he or she is not give the reliable answer, maybe he or she is change her or his answer also. So these are the negative points of the personal interview. I hope you can understand about what is personal interview. Now the second method is the mailing questionnaires survey method. Mailing questionnaires survey method. Nowadays you people are the very smart people, है ना? मेल इज अ डिफरेंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर यू, है ना, इंटरनेट से मेल कर दिया। बट व्हेन वी वर स्टडी, है ना, तो क्या होता था, मेल इट मीन्स जस्ट अ पोस्ट। जब हम पढ़ते थे SMS मतलब मोबाइल भी नहीं था, सो SMS इज अगेन नॉट अ क्राइटेरिया ऑफ दिस। मेल इज मीन जस्ट अ पोस्ट। मे बी आप में से किसी ने पोस्ट का डब्बा भी नहीं देखा होगा, इट इज द रेड कलर बॉक्स इज देयर, दैट इज द पोस्ट बॉक्स, फाइन। सो मेलिंग इट मीन्स द पोस्टिंग, यू आर पोस्टिंग समथिंग, लेटर पोस्ट करते हो लाइक दिस। सो यू जस्ट fill your questions and post the questions to the respondent and feedback उनका आंसर मांगना है आपको। बट इसमें क्या करना है आपको, सपोज मेरे घर पे मैंने आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिख के दिए और आपको आंसर देते हैं, फिर आपके पास एक्सक्यूज होगा, मैंने क्वेश्चन तो भेज दिए, मैंने आंसर भी लिख लिए हैं, बट क्या करूँ मैडम, मेरे पास पोस्ट का टिकट नहीं है, एनवलप नहीं है। सो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती है ना, मेलिंग में ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती है। सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मेथड और व्हेन वी आर यूज दिस मेथड, दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया कि व्हेन वी आर यूज दिस मेथड, कवर लेटर और कवर एनवलप इज आल्सो देयर। कवर एनवलप इट मीन्स मैंने आपको मेल किया है, पोस्ट किया है कुछ चीज, उसके साथ मैंने अपने एड्रेस का एक एनवलप और आपको दिया है, अपने एड्रेस का कवर एनवलप और आपको दिया है। सो यू जस्ट विद द टिकट्स ऑफ द पोस्ट टिकट के साथ, ठीक है, सो यू जस्ट फिल योर आंसर, पुट योर आंसर की और दैट पेपर इन द माय कवर एंड पोस्ट इट, दैट्स इट। आपको ना कवर लेने जाना है ना आपको टिकट्स का अरेंजमेंट करना है। सो दैट इज द रिलायबल, फाइन। तो आप मेरा आंसर दोगे, अदरवाइज यू हैव द एम्पल ऑफ एक्सक्यूज, मैडम ये नहीं था, मैडम वो नहीं था, यू हैव द एम्पल ऑफ एक्सक्यूज, you can't give the answer of my questions, ठीक है। So this method is used when the post is there. Nowadays the mail is email, very good at criteria, WhatsApp, email, any social media, you just ask the question to the person or your respondent. When we talking about the mail questionnaire survey method or the mail interview, when the data is in a survey are collected by mail, the questionnaire is sent to each individual by mail with the request to complete and return it by a given date. Suppose my date is 5th October और आप उसके बाद अगर मुझे सबमिट करवाते हो, so that is the no use of these answers. So that is the specification। अगर हम किसी को मेल करते हैं तो आपको बताना है कि आपको कब तक वो आंसर्स दे देने, otherwise no use of this method, fine। That these days online survey or the surveys through the short messaging service that is called SMS are popular। Already मैंने बताया है, जब हम पढ़ते थे तो only post is there, but nowadays any social media you can use and the email also you can use। Next, some advantages of this method is interview have the following advantages। First, it is less expensive। ईमेल करने आपको कितना एक्सपेंस होगा, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में कितना एक्सपेंस होगा और ईमेल में कितना। इफ योर एरिया इज वेरी लार्ज, फॉरेन में भी आपको भेजना है, यू जस्ट पोस्ट वन ईमेल इन योर प्लेस ओनली, सो दैट इज लेस एक्सपेंसिव और वी कैन से वेरी लेस एक्सपेंसिव मेथड कंपेयर टू द पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। सेकेंड एडवांटेज इज it allows the researchers to have the access to people in the remote area too, who might be difficult to reach in a person or by a telephone. This is advantage also and this is maybe we can say disadvantages also. But in this form, advantages it means if I want to go in the remote area, no transport facility is there, है ना, तो मेरे लिए difficult है personal interview करना। But when we are talking about the mail questionnaires, so if I am sending through the email my questions, so that is the less criteria कि remote area में वहाँ लोग skilled नहीं होते, so that is very difficult। But when I am talking about the post the questionnaires and find out need the answers, that is very popular in the remote area also because post facilities in everywhere of India, fine। So mailing questionnaires is very useful when your area is very remote, your transportation facility is not there, but your mailing posting facilities is always there। Now third advantage It does not allow the influencing of the respondent by the interviewer. Listen, that is the one we can see disadvantage of personal interview. अगर मैं पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए बैठी हूँ, मैंने आपको बताया ना, इफ आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट मी ओनली, यू पीपल मे बी हेजिटेट, और मैं कह सकती हूँ माई क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दैट, मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूँ और मैं अपने बारे में पूछ रही हूँ, you are not giving me the negative comment because of my question is scare you, fine. But when the posting the mail, we are sending the through the our questions through the email or through the mail or post, that is the no scarcity is there. Researcher or investigator respondent को डरा नहीं सकता है at that point. Next, it also the permit the respondents to take the sufficient time to give the thoughtful answer of the questions. जब पर्सनल इंटरव्यू लेंगे, जस्ट क्वेश्चन आया, आपको आंसर देना है विद इन 1 or 2 minutes. But when we are talking about this, हम उनको डेट देंगे, मैंने पहले बताया था, we just sending the date, इस डेट तक आपको सबमिट करवाना है. So you have the respondent have the sufficient time to give the reliable or thoughtful answer or correct answer for these questions. Now the disadvantage, there is less opportunity to provide the assistance in the classifying the instructions. So there is a possibility of the misunderstanding of the questions, because questions समझाने का problems, that is the problem, because interviewer or respondent are sitting in the different place. And second disadvantage is mailing is also likely to produce low response rates due to the certain factors, such as returning in the questions without the completing it, not maybe the questions are frequently asked, again and again repeated questions are there. Loss of question is the mail itself. Sometimes होता है हमने mail करा पर mail sent नहीं हुआ because of the some connectivity problem is there. If I am sending the through the post, so also post maybe the misplace is there. So respondent के पास sometimes questions पहुँचते ही नहीं है. That is again one disadvantage. So today we will just stop here. We just seen these two methods, personal interview and manual questionnaire survey. Next video we just seen about the telephonic interview and pilot survey. That's all for